Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing the phone, unlock it, and make sure you're signed into the Apple ID you use for Apple Pay. Once done, open Settings and scroll to Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where cards and preferences live. Make sure your device has the latest iOS if prompted, because menu names can differ across versions. You'll need your passcode or Face/Touch ID to make changes, so have that ready before you tap into Wallet and Apple Pay. Now you'll remove stored payment methods. In Wallet and Apple Pay, tap a card, then choose Remove Card and confirm with your passcode or biometrics. Next, scroll to settings like double-click Side button. Turn that off to prevent accidental Apple Pay activation. Do the same for Allow payments on Mac if it appears. Also check Express Transit and set it to None or disable it, since that keeps a default card active. Removing cards and toggling these options ensures Apple Pay stops functioning. To fully disable Apple Pay, consider signing out of iCloud on the device if you intend permanent removal. Tap your name, sign out, and follow prompts. Also open Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode, then disable Apple Pay if that option is shown. This prevents biometric authorizations. Once finished, restart the iPhone, open Wallet to confirm no cards remain, and try a payment prompt to verify. If cards reappear, check iCloud keychain, turn it off to stop automatic restores.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.